Their most famous feature is, of course, their strong chisel-like beak, which is perfectly designed for drilling into wood. But that's not all. They also have incredibly stiff tail feathers that act like a tripod, helping them brace against tree trunks for stability while they work. And here's something you might not know. Their tongues are astonishingly long, sometimes 2 to 4 times the length of their beak. This amazing tool is often tipped with barbs or coated in sticky saliva, allowing them to extract insects and larvae from deep within the bark. The primary diet for most woodpeckers consists of insects, grubs, tree sap, and nuts. That rhythmic drumming you hear isn't just random noise. It's a complex form of communication. They tap and peck on tree trunks to create resonant sounds that declare their territory to rivals and attract potential mates. It's their unique way of singing. Some species are also quite clever. They've evolved a brilliant set of shock-absorbing features to protect their brains. This includes a specialized skull with spongy bone structures, unique hyoid bones that wrap around the skull to act like a seatbelt, and powerful neck muscles that dissipate the force of each impact. It's a masterclass in biological engineering. Despite their resilience, woodpeckers face significant threats. Deforestation and habitat loss are the biggest dangers, as they remove the trees these birds depend on for food and shelter. The use of pesticides also reduces their insect food supply and can poison them directly. Conservation efforts are vital for their survival. Protecting old-growth forests, managing woodlands sustainably, and planting native trees are all crucial steps to ensure these birds continue to thrive. From their rhythmic drumming that fills the forest air to the essential homes they create for countless other species, woodpeckers are small but mighty architects of their ecosystems. Their constant work helps keep forests healthy and alive. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the wild. Follow for more incredible animal stories.